What's up with it? It's your boy Mcfly, man, the hardest working man in shoetainment today. Coming at you again with another real review. As you can see, man, we got this Adidas box on the table. If this is your first time over here in Atlanta, Mcfly, man, I welcome you. Appreciate you stopping by. If you like what I'm doing over here, man, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're currently on the road to 300, man, trying to hit 300 subs by January 1. Chugging along, man. I feel like we're gonna make it. We'll see how it goes. And as you can see, man, we got a box. So let's go ahead and get into it. You know, Yeezys, the big talk around the town these days are Yeezys dead, Yeezy this, Yeezy that, Yeezy. But today, it's fighting me. We got these Sesame things on deck, man. And I figured I'd give my frequent flyer squad the review that only Mcfly can deliver. You feel what I'm talking about? But for those of you who are familiar, we're gonna get you zoomed in for this close-up action. Alright, man, we got you locked and loaded for this Sesame action on that thing. Just get you a shot of that tag for everybody interested. This particular pair came from Yeezy Supply, just in case you were wondering. Alright, there it is. Back to it. I contemplated this shoe long and hard. You got your standard V2 upper. In that sesame colorway, it really is like the color of a sesame seed. Like straight up, the upper is that color. Then you have that tannish, milky bottom with the gum outsole. You know, fades into that milky beigeish on that end. Tab there. You know, pretty much standard V2 Yeezy, man. You seen one, you pretty much seen them all, you know what I mean? I was conflicted. I was hoping that this was actually a brown shoe. More so brown as opposed to this off-white color. Zoom in on the tags for y'all tag people. But it's not a bad shoe. I just don't see dropping 220 on it. Like, that's crazy. But them Yeezys, them semi-frozen yellows, but I'm breaking the bank on them. Like straight up, straight like that. But this ain't a bad shoe. It's boring. It's boring to me. But you know, you've definitely got your full-length boost on there. I don't know if I zoomed up on the boost or not, but get you that boost shot, boost there. Definitely an extremely comfortable pair of kicks. I highly recommend Yeezys. To anybody who wants to go get them, you have that time now. The end of days is upon us where Yeezys do not sell out anymore. Like I said, hopefully them frozen yellows sit until the end of time because I'm getting them. I gotta have them. We gotta get Concords out the way first, man. The same old laces or whatnot. Can't do our own foot or anything because this isn't a PP. For those of y'all who don't know what PP is, it means personal pair. It's not a PP, but just wanted to give my frequent flyer game a look, man, for the people who didn't get to see them or was interested or wanted to know my opinion or whatnot. It's a outrageously comfortable shoe, but this is just a little bit too boring for me. But at any rate, it's your boy Mcfly, man. I'll holler at you.